amazing. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my self-care spa at home during quarantine routine, because obviously we can't go out due to the lockdown and we cannot go to the parlor, we can't go out anywhere, but we still want to take care of our hair, body, face and everything. So yeah, I'll show you guys my routine with the products that I already have at home and how can you do that too. So yes, without further ado, let's begin with today's video.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So in this video, we will focus on our hair, on our face, on our lips and on our body. So starting off with the hair, I start my routine by oiling my hair, by deep oiling my hair, and for that I use two oils. I mix my castor oil and my coconut oil and I heat it up for like a minute or two, and then I apply the oil thoroughly all over my head, in my roots, in my ends and everywhere. And then I keep the oil in my hair for like 1 or 2 hours. So by the time the oil is already there on our head, we will focus on our face, which includes cleansing, scrubbing and face masking. So for cleansing my face, I am using this Biotique face wash and I've been using this from couple of weeks now. Before this I used to use the Himalaya one, but I finished it completely, so I thought I'd just try a new one and this actually suits me. So if you want to give it a try, you can. And after cleansing, we will move on to scrubbing our face. You should always scrub your face like twice a week, not more than that. And I use this scrub which is from St. Ives or St. Ives, and I've been using this from couple of months now, I think 7-8 months, and I still haven't finished it. And this is actually a very good product. This has coconut and coffee, and these two things are perfect for your skin and especially for scrubbing. And after this we will move on to our lips, and for that I am making a DIY lip scrub. That when it comes to skincare and pampering ourselves, lips are the most ignored part. So what I like to do is scrub my lips like once or twice a week, and trust me, it's very easy. You don't need any kind of expensive product for that. Just take 1 tablespoon of sugar and take Vaseline. I think these two things everyone has at their home. And yeah, we'll mix both of them together and quickly scrub our lips. And after this we will move on to face masking, and for that I'm going to be using this Multani Mitti, which is also called Fuller's Earth. Trust me guys, I have used so many face masks, but I always go back to this one because this is like so good and perfectly suits my skin. And I'm sure everyone has Multani Mitti at their home, if I'm not wrong. And if you don't have, then you can use any face mask you want to. And after doing my hair oiling and face masking and everything, I'll quickly hop into the shower. And the shampoo that I use is this one from Tresemme. This is the Spa Rejuvenation one. And if you have oily scalp and dry ends, this shampoo will suit you. Always make sure to be very gentle when you're cleaning your hair, because that time our hair is very soft and the chances of hair breaking is like 90%. So always make sure you're very smooth and gentle while you clean your hair. And the conditioner that I use is this one from Pantene. It's the hair fall control one. So if you're dealing with hair fall, you can try this conditioner out. So I leave my conditioner for like 5 to 7 minutes and then I move on to cleaning my body. So I use this body wash which is from the Body Shop, and this smells so good guys, and as you can see I've completely finished it. So I take a drop of it on my loofah and I apply it all over my body. And then I, like once in a while, I like to use this body polish and body scrub which is from Assure. So if you want a good body scrub, you can try this one out. So earlier I used to think that a body scrub wouldn't really do a lot, but since the time I've started using a body scrub which is from like 8 to 9 months, my body feels a lot more smoother and better than before. And yeah, I think if you haven't tried a body scrub before, make sure you try now. But if you don't have a body scrub at home right now, you can always skip this step. I also wanted to include my waxing and my shaving routine in this video, but then I thought this video will be very long, so I might make some other video for that if you guys want me to. And yeah, after coming out of the shower, I change on to some comfy clothes, and this is what my OOTD for today is. And after that, I put my leave-in cream onto my hair when my hair is like 80% wet. It makes my hair frizz-free and soft and smooth and manageable. And then I move on to moisturizing my body. This is the one that I use. I moisturize my hands, my legs and everything. And it's really important to, moisturize your body as soon as you hop out of the shower. And then I moisturize my face and my lips, and that's it. I am done. This is what my self-care, my pamper routine, my spa at home routine looks like. And then you can go read a book or watch a movie or do whatever you want to. Just have a good time on your own. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and this was like my mini self-care routine at home, pamper routine at home. And I hope you enjoyed watching this. This makes me feel a lot more better when I do this, and just makes me feel a lot more productive. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.